After you go back and reread your story, My School Trip, today you're going to think about two more parts of a story. The other two parts are called problem and solution. The problem is what's wrong in the story. What problem does the character have? Okay, so we want to know what is the problem, and then we want to know how they solved that problem. That's the solution. How did they solve their problem? So everything is all better. So the problem is what problem did the character have in the story? And then how did that character solve their problem? Go back and reread My School Trip and finish filling out this graphic organizer for problem and solution.